Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Kids. Today I'm going to teach you how to add end cards to your YouTube video in simple steps. Let's start without wasting any time. Start man. Man, start it. Dude. Oh, before starting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to receive all my latest notifications. Start music. As usually, open Google Chrome and search for YouTube Studio. Now click on the first link you get to see. Now enable your desktop site. After YouTube Studio opens, go to the Content tab. Select the video in which you want to add the end card and click the pencil icon. On the right hand side, you can see an option called End Screen and a pencil icon beside it. Click on the pencil icon. Now on the left hand side, you will see types of end screens. Select any one. After selecting, you will be given a timeline in which you can go to the end template and see the time. And now go to the left hand side top of the box in which you can see the time of the beginning of the end screen and the ending of the end screen. Now select the time in which the end template starts and select the time in which the template ends. After one end screen box is done, go to the second one and do the same. After setting up the timeline, you can see most recent video option on the left hand side. If you click on it, your most recent video uploaded in YouTube will be there on the end screen. Whereas, if you click on choose specific video, you can choose your favorite video and keep it on the end screen. Whatever option you choose it for both the videos. After choosing, click on Save. Now again click on Save. Now check it in your YouTube video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my channel.